This is the addictive sketcher. Show them. I know it's been an age. I know. And a lot has happened in this time. But at the end of the day, it's back. Thank God it's Tuesday. And I can't shout the roof down here. I'm painting in the loft of my new place. So just chill out with me while I get used to this new place. All right. But thank God it's Tuesday. So what are you going to choose to do today? There's one thing I want you to do. I want you to prioritize the time you take out to create your work. Prioritize your work time. Prioritize your creative time. Like, put that on top priority. Like, you've got to prioritize your work, your practice, what you do. There's so many other things we need to do. We need to market ourselves, promote ourselves, go on social media, make contacts, etc., etc. But please, let nothing take you from those sacred hours where you're taking out time to do the work itself, i.e. just getting down in front of the easel with your palette, that's my palette out there, and just paint, or just sketch, or just design, or just sculpt. Whatever it is you do, or you might just be in another creative zone. Sing, write the words, whatever it is. Do that thing, bake that cake. I don't know. It could be whatever, but put in that time and put it on top priority. Like, don't joke, don't compromise for anything at all. Because look, our breath as creatives is when we do what we do. The moment you stop and you get carried away with what other people are doing, and you think that's part of it, even reading, even watching DVDs, even going to exhibitions, nothing. Think about it. The only thing that's going to make you who you are is when you are actually doing the work. So let's make an agreement. Today, would you put 15 minutes or 20 or 30 into your creative work or a project you've been procrastinating on? Just do it and watch how different you feel. All right? That's just the thing I want you to take note today. So this is the addictive sketcher. Show them! I can't shout, I know, but what are you going to choose to do today? Prioritize your work time. Cheers, guys.